So talking about these best practices, what are the best practices for 2025 that we can bring forward to 2026?
The main thing that we learned for this year is that since people are adopting AI agents more, we encounter a lot of people questioning already if it's an AI, or maybe insisting more questions, demanding more questions from the bot.
They're kind of like investigating the bot.
Yeah. They're stress testing the bot already.
Okay.
So one of the things that we learned is that to properly set the client or the customer's expectations in this case, if it's really outside of the bot's capabilities, the bot will proactively say that I'm sorry, I'm just an AI bot. I don't have capability. I don't have an answer to these questions.
And therefore, they will transfer you to your.
Yes, we can offer to transfer, or we can even offer to file a ticket for these clients. That those questions can be answered. Because sometimes people are not getting frustrated that they are talking to a bot. They are getting frustrated because they cannot get the answer that they want. And then from the CX side as well, one of the best things that we learned is that from those kind of questions, we are trying to check or which one should we add on the next iteration of the bot so that we can further improve, so that next time the bot will not answer it like that. The bot can really give the answer. We discuss with our clients so that we can further improve the bot. It's a continuous improvement.
Okay. But from the CX perspective, it is okay to acknowledge that it is actually a bot talking to them, and it is okay for us to offer to transfer the business.
Yes. Yes. Of course, depending on the scenario, you don't tell the customers onset that it's the bot. Depending on the customer, like for example, if it's a collections call, we don't proactively say that it's a bot. But if they ask for compliance purposes, we will answer.
Okay, and this is the last topic of the interview today about the data-driven continuous optimization. It's actually follow-up questions from the previous questions about continuous iterations. How do you leverage conversational data and take the outcomes to identify the frictions in the customer journey, and what's your process for translating those insights into script improvements?
Before we talk about leveraging the tag outcomes, I think the main thing that we have to first consider is what are the data or what are the outcomes that our clients are concerned. So with WIZ.AI, we also hyper-customize this information capturing, information tagging. So we sit down with our clients and discuss with them what are the information or insights you want to capture. So based on that, we will tag or we will have the bot capture this information and also add another layer. Like for example, if it's a collections call, we don't stop just getting the promise to pay. If they will pay or will not pay, we will also capture the reason why people are not paying. So based from that, since we already took it a step further, data analytics becomes much easier. So we can already provide this type of information to clients already. So for this will not pay, how many pay because they don't have any money, or they lost their jobs, or they had an emergency. So and then based from this type of information, the customer can make an informed decision. For example, there's a typhoon, so most of the reasons are due to emergency. Then maybe they can do a promotion or any discount for this type of scenario. That way, their business, or maybe they can even improve their collection rates.
So in short, we can say that actually what we are delivering to our customers. Let's take the debt collection as an example. It's not only about calling the users to make the payment, but also to provide data that will allow our clients to be able to better understand their users.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So I think that's the power of AI, because for humans, human agents, to be honest, I'm not too sure if human agents can capture those type of information on each and every call, because eventually humans, after a whole day, on the later part of their shift, they will no longer try to capture all this information. They will just be thinking that I just want to get over for this stage.
And this data capture is done automatically in real time.
Yes, automatically. That's the best thing about AI. So you can have complete information about all of these things.